What does the associative property actually mean? Let's start with the associative property for addition. To know if it's satisfied for addition, we just need to check if a plus b plus c equals a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are rational numbers. Notice that on the left-hand side, a plus b are in brackets, and on the right-hand side, b plus c are in brackets. We take three random rational numbers now. Say 3 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 5, and minus 4 divided by 3. Let us put the brackets around the first two numbers and keep the third one as is. In mathematics, based on the order of operations, brackets have to be solved first. This is how the calculations will look like. To solve the brackets, we made the denominators of these two rational numbers 10. We get this value as 7 by 10. Then we made the denominators of these two rational numbers equal to 30. And we finally got the answer as minus 19 by 30. Now we can put the brackets around the second and the third terms. The sum will look like this, with brackets around these two terms. Again, we first solve the brackets and then come to this term. We made the denominators of these two terms equal to 15 and got the answer within the brackets as minus 32 by 15. Then we made the denominators of these two terms equal to 30 and got the answer as minus 19 by 30. Don't focus too hard on the calculations. The concept of associative property is important. So the answer in both the cases is the same. We can say that the associative property is satisfied for additional of rational numbers. I know one example is not enough to prove anything. So to be sure, please solve a few examples on your own by choosing three random rational numbers. Let's move on to the next operation. To see if the property is for subtraction, we need to check if a minus b minus c equals a minus b minus c. We choose three random numbers again. Say 3 by 5, 4 by 3 and 1 by 4. We put brackets around the first two terms here. This is a minus b minus c. This equals minus 59 by 60. We solved the brackets first to get minus 11 by 15 and then made the denominators equal to 60. Now let us group the second and the third terms. We will have to solve this part first. We get the final answer as 16 by 60. Solving the brackets, we get 4 by 12 and solving this, we get 16 by 60. Is that equal to minus 59 by 60? No, so we can say the associative property is not satisfied for subtraction of rational numbers. And if you experiment a bit more with rational numbers, you will note that the associative property is satisfied for multiplication and not satisfied for division.